Okay, so I've got to do some trimming, but my problem is that I'm a little bit out of this stuff here, and this one here is not coming through there. So how do we get, this to be longer, and how do we get the one for this to come out of this side? So what you're going to do is you're going to see there's little like squeezes here. So you got to squeeze both of these, right? And then this is going to pop up just like that. Bam. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and see how these are. Look. See how they squeeze in and they fit in these little spots right here and right here. And then if you look inside here, you're going to see there's our wire, our coil. And you can see the one coil has come out. And so I've got to fix that. So I'm going to set this down. All right, so this comes out, right? Just like that. Okay, so you can pull it both out. All right, so that slips right off of there, and then you just put it back on just like this, right? But my problem is that I've only got this one coming through here, right? Look, I still got some on there, so that's good. But we need to put the other one on, right? So I've got to wrap it on the bottom here. So I want to have both. I want to have two lines coming out of this thing, right? So I'll have this one coming out, but I've got to put one on this one here, on the bottom. So, and this one here is wrapped under there, so I think I can just cut this, all right? Because we don't need that hanging out. Okay. Rewind line. So you gotta roll it this way. See how this is rolled? So that's that way. So if we put this other line on there, there's a little hole right there, you see? So if I take this and I put it in that hole, right there, that's where it's supposed to go. And then, see, it's not going in there. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Now I've got it kind of caught, and so it says to go this way with it, right? So I'm just going to wrap it. Keep going. Keep going around. Keep going around. Keep going around. Keep going around. Keep going. Right about there. Okay, so now I've got both sides on there. So when I put it in here, I've got to get this one through there, right? And then I want to get this one through here. And then we can get the thing in the hole here. I can find the hole. There we go. Then we can pull that through. Whoops. Let me just pull it back a little bit. All right, there we go. And this one. All right, now we've got this one and this one here. I need more though. Here, let me pull a little bit more through here. All right. So I'm thinking maybe a little bit more. All right, so we're about that. This one's too long, right? So I got to cut that one. I'm going to cut this one right about here. Now I think we're good, right? Or we should be good. Okay, now we can go ahead and put our cap back on. All right, I think we're ready to go. I think now we can go cut some stuff. Because we got two lines, although this one is slipping out. And then they're gonna go around like this. And we'll see how she does. This one's you gotta plug in too. All right, when you're using this, you wanna wear a mask and eye protection. Otherwise, you could get hurt. All right, so anyway, this right here allows me to pull more line out. Because what it does is it takes that thing's not locked in there now. But I think, whoops, that is kind of long, look. Maybe I need to cut a little bit. How's that? That goes like about that long. All right, I think we're good. I think that's gonna work. All right, let's go try it and see how she works. See if we did a good job. All right, so you wanna wear eye protection, a mask. I got gloves, and I got good shoes on. So we're gonna go ahead and try to cut that back there. See what happens.